Hey everyone, this video is to show you how to request a one-day code on a listing with a Sentri-lock lockbox. So I went ahead and made an appointment, and the showing is confirmed. And in the showing notification that I received, it shows me the appointment details and the access details. And in the access details, I see that it's a Sentri-lock. This alerts me that I need to go and contact the listing agent through ShowingTime and ask them for a one-day code. So when I pull up ShowingTime, I'm going to go into that request and click View and Modify. And once I get into there, I'm going to go to Send Message. And that messaging center is going to populate, and it's going to directly communicate with the listing agent. So I'm going to go ahead and ask for a one-day code. And it's important to use ShowingTime so that that listing agent knows that I am a licensed agent in good standing with the MLS. They're not texting me the code or emailing me the code. They're allowing ShowingTime to confirm that I'm an agent. So that agent went ahead and sent me an access code. I'm going to thank them. And that is how I request a one-day code for a Sentri-lock lockbox through ShowingTime.